Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Kubernetes local cluster using Minikube, full guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure that you have a compatible hypervisor installed on your machine. Verify that your system supports virtualization. Download the latest version of Minikube from the official website. Install Minikube by following the installation instructions provided for your operating system. Next, ensure that you have kubectl installed as it is necessary for interacting with your Kubernetes cluster. You can download kubectl from the Kubernetes website. Once installed, verify the installation by running kubectl version in your terminal. Now, open your command line interface. Start Minikube by executing the command minikube start. This command will create a local Kubernetes cluster on your machine. Wait for Minikube to download the necessary components and spin up the cluster. Once Minikube is running, you will see a confirmation message in the terminal. To check the status of your Minikube cluster, run Minikube status. If the cluster is running, start interacting with it using kubectl. You can test the cluster by deploying a sample application. To deploy a sample app, use the command kubectl create deployment hello minikube image equals k8s.gcr.io/echoserver 1.4. This command will create a deployment named hello minikube using the echoserver image. After deploying, expose the application to access it externally. Run kubectl expose deployment hello minikube type equals node port equals 8080. To access the application, retrieve the URL using minikube service hello minikube URL. Copy the URL shown in the terminal. Open a web browser and paste the URL to see your application in action. When finished, you can stop Minikube by running minikube stop. If you want to completely delete the cluster, execute minikube delete. That wraps up how to connect a Kubernetes local cluster using Minikube. You now have a fully functional Kubernetes environment for development and testing. Feel free to explore more advanced features as you familiarize yourself with Minikube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.